Hey guys, so this is how you're going to add multiple quantity to a listing on eBay. So first thing that you're going to do is to log into your eBay Seller Hub. So you can do that by clicking on the cell at the top of your screen from your eBay dashboard. And then once you're here, you're going to head over to the listings page, and then you can create a new listing if you don't have any yet, or you can just go to active if you want to edit some, or if your listing is still in drafts, you can do so, and then just click on resume draft for this one. And then once you're here in the listing form, you're going to have to scroll down to the selling details section. So we're just going to scroll down until we find that selling details, and then you will see this quantity right here. This is the option that says quantity. Now you're going to have to enter the items that you have in stock. So for example, we have 10 units, so we're just going to type in 10, and that's it. Once you save and publish your listing, buyers will be able to select how many they want to purchase up to the quantity you have set. This helps you sell multiple items under one listing instead of creating separate ones. And that's it. That is how you add multiple quantity to a listing on eBay. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more.